Viewers, heavy rains lashed several parts of Delhi NCR, leaving streets completely waterlogged. A roof collapsed at Terminal 1 of Delhi Airport that resulted in 1 death and 8 injuries, with several cars enshrouded by the debris. According to the reports, the Delhi Fire Services received a call regarding roof collapse at around 5:30 in the morning. Beside the roof, the support beam also collapsed, damaging the car that was parked in the vicinity. Following the incident, all departures from Terminal 1 have been temporarily suspended.
The national capital has come to a standstill. While on our way to the airport, we actually passed through the ITO area, through the Parliament area, and all the areas in the central Delhi were completely inundated in water. And here at the Delhi airport, as you know, a very tragic incident took place at 5 o'clock in the morning. There you can see the NDRF officials who are taking stock of the situation and also making sure that no more people are currently under the rubble. But this is a tragic incident took place. 8 people injured, 1 lost his life because of this incident. Many cars were parked under it. All the taxi drivers who stand there waiting for the passengers, their cars got crushed. There was a person present inside the car when the portion of the wall collapsed over him. He's the one who lost his life because of this. And you can also see that there are various passengers here also facing inconvenience. So in the morning, because of the incessant rains, the entire national capital has come to a standstill, be it the areas in the national capital or this busiest airport in India, that is the IJ airport. कितने बजे की ये घटना है?
5:32 की।
अच्छा, तो आपने क्या कुछ यहाँ देखा? कितनी तेज आवाज आई? कौन था वो जिनकी अब डेथ हो चुकी है?
वो ड्राइवर है, टैक्सी ड्राइवर है।
अच्छा, तो आप लोगों को कभी ऐसा लगा कि इतना कच्चा है ये स्ट्रक्चर की ये सब हो सकता है?
नहीं मैम, ऐसा नहीं लगा कभी। कमजोर है, मजबूत बना हुआ है। ये तो बिजली कड़कने से गिरा है।
बिजली कड़कने का रीजन है, आपने भी देखा ये सब कुछ होता है? क्या हुआ था 5:30 बजे?
यही है कि बादल गड़गड़ाहट हुई है, जोर से बादल फटे हैं। फटने के बाद बिजली गिरी है, बिजली गिरने के बाद ये छत पे अटैक हुआ है। वो छत गिर गई है और नीचे जो कन्वेंस थी, जो अपनी कन्वेंस से आ रहे थे, जो टैक्सी ड्राइवर थे, वो पैसेंजर को उतार रहे थे, वो छत के नीचे दब गए।
तो आप लोग काफी टाइम से यहाँ पे, आपको कभी ऐसा महसूस हुआ कि ये स्ट्रक्चर इतना नाजुक है कि गिर जाए?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं। बाकी सब चीज ओके है। सो ये बरसात रात भर
2006 से कर रहे हैं।
Okay, all right. So those were the reactions on the spot. The Civil Aviation Minister also reached the airport. He took stock of the situation and then also went to the hospital to meet those who were injured. He also took stock at the airport and assured compensation for the same. In fact, AMSA has spoken to the Aviation Minister. Listen in.
In this conversation is Union Aviation Minister Mr. Ram Mohan Naidu. Sir, about the collapse, the opposition is saying this is all fault of the government. They didn't take care about the private players in the loop, and also the buck should stop with the government. How do you react to that?
So first of all, let me get one fact clear, because there have been some fake news saying that this is a building which has been inaugurated 3 months back and by the Honorable Prime Minister. But the building that has collapsed right now, in fact the roof of the building which has collapsed, it was inaugurated in 2009 and it's a 15-year-old building. But that doesn't mean that it's going in any other direction. The investigation is on. We have ordered the investigation. We are going to bring in the experts in the industry, technical industry, and we are going to do a thorough investigation. And whoever is responsible for it, and this government is committed to take action on them. So that much is very, very clear. But in incidents like these, if they pick up these kind of incidents and try to politicize these and use it for their political game and all, I don't think it's a very good precedent to build on.
Also in Jabalpur airport, sir, many questions have been raised, because this is also about the infrastructure and also the lives of the people are directly related to it.
Definitely we are considering it as a very serious incident, and like you mentioned, where other airports have also there are a couple of places where similar incidents were seen. So we are going to do a thorough review in our department, and I have that review today. So I'm going to call in all the officials within the department, and we are going to do a thorough review of all the airports in the country, and wherever similar structures are there, especially, we are going to concentrate on them. We are going to do inspection on them. And me saying it right now it'll be better if I finish the review and give a commitment to the people of this country on how we are going to progress on this serious incident and what kind of action we are going to take, which is why I'm going to have a review meeting.
So also one thing that opposition is creating ruckus over the NEET examination. They want adjournment motion and they want NEET to be discussed, despite the fact the speaker saying that the government is ready to discuss it. But first we have to speak on the motion of thanks on the presidential address.
See, if you can just wait 1 hour of someone else speaking, you are going to get the opportunity, and you have unlimited amount of time to speak on all the issues, not just NEET, if you have any other issues also, and which the speaker sir has also made it clear and the government has also made it clear that whatever issues the opposition has, the government is ready to listen to it and ready to answer those questions also. And in terms of NEET, we have already given a commitment that whatever necessary action is required, the government is taking, keeping students as the priority and their future as the priority. That action has been taken. But you can use the floor of the house to raise the issue, but there is always a medium, and speaker is the one who directs that. So you have to respect it. I don't see any harm in just waiting for that time when you get actually to speak on it. Even in the president's address, you will have ample time to speak about NEET. So why are they not using that opportunity is what I'm not able to guess.
Thank you so much for speaking to us. This is Pragya Kaushik for Times Now.
All right, more breaking updates coming in of the politics that's playing out. The TMC has stepped up pressure on the BJP over airport roof collapse. The TMC spokesperson Riju Datta saying that this happened because Prime Minister Modi hurriedly inaugurated Terminal 1 even though it was under construction.
It's a tragedy and it's a national shame. The photogenic Prime Minister, in his desperate need to inaugurate airports, inaugurate religious institutions, religious places, he has forced the engineers to cut corners, and that is a direct result of such tragedies. What is happening in Delhi airport? What is happening in Jabalpur airport? What is happening with Prabhu Ram Mandir in Ayodhya? The roof is leaking. What has happened to the Ayodhya rail station today after rains? It is completely underwater. What happened to the Pragati Maidan tunnels, which was inaugurated by Mr. Narendra Modi? It is completely flooded.
Let's go across to my colleague Priyank, who's joining us on the broadcast with the details. Priyank, politics playing out with the opposition saying that this is a terminal which was hurriedly inaugurated. The aviation minister issuing a clarification that this was not part of the inauguration. But unfortunately, in this political blame game, it is the common man that has suffered, 1 life being lost, 8 others being injured.
Yeah, certainly, Pratibha, there's an investigation which has been initiated by the airport authorities also, looking into the lapses which has resulted to death of one individual who was waiting for the pickup of the passenger. He was a taxi driver. But on the other side, what locals have also spoken to the Times Network, they are saying that there was a lightning which happened, and soon after that, this particular structure collapsed. Unfortunately, the politics has started in this particular issue, knowing the fact that the inauguration by the Bharatiya Janata Party's top leadership of this airport was the point which was picked up by the opposition, and Priyanka Gandhi was in the initial...
So politics playing out, and a probe has been ordered, like you mentioned. Priyank, for the moment, we'll have to leave it at that. Thank you for joining us with those details.